This is Kenneth with another video. Hope y'all are good and hope y'all are doing well. So right now I'm going to be giving you guys market analysis video on Audusd. Okay, so as usual we're going to start on the monthly time frame like we always do. So let's get into it. As you can see here, price has been dropping previously and the price is now retracing back to the upside. And as you can see around here, we just came to a level of value or a resistance level. The price is currently reacting on to potentially push back down, indicating that at this point what we should be looking for here is basically selling opportunities. Okay, all right, so let's just jump to the weekly time frame. That's the same zone that I spoke about, guys, is the zone around here that price is potentially gonna be dropping from. All right, so that's what we're gonna be looking at. And the next thing that I'm seeing is that if you take your trend line from this point and you combine this point, then this point is giving you the third touch over there. And whenever price is rejecting over the trend line, normally that means that what the market will continue dropping in line with the direction of the trend. So number one, here we have like a downtrend, as you can see, because price has been breaking previous structures. Number two, we have price retracing to a resistance level. Number three, we have this trend line. So already we have three confluences that are indicating to us that price can potentially push to the downside. All right, and all we need right now is to you can just wait to get a nice sell-off from this, or you can look for price to give you another confluence depending on how many confluences you need to trade with. But already this is indicating that price is bearish. If you look at the daily time frame here, you can see that this candle have created a reversal candlesticks. So it's a candlestick formation, indicating that the market will be going down. Another point that I can bring out, guys, is this. Let me try to do this. All right, another point I can try to bring out is this. If you measure from this high here and you take it down to this low, what is it that you see? That price is playing on the golden zone, indicating that the market will likely drop. If price rejects off of here, the market will likely drop and be pushing to the downside. That's another thing that you wanna pay attention to, because we are on the golden zone, not just the resistance level, and we have all the other confluences that are telling us that the market is potentially pushing down. All right, so those are many confluences, guys, that are indicating that what you should be looking for is selling opportunities. And the list that I'll be looking for in this case, as far as price going down, would be for the market to come at least to the support area around here. Right, if price can reach this level, that will be great. From here we can either wait to see price going up or look for a breakdown, a retest over this resistance for more pushes to the downside. It's all up to what the market will want to do from there. So sorry about that. It's all up to what the market will want to do from this. So let me remove this. Another thing, guys, I'm gonna show you is a harmonic pattern completion, and then that's gonna be it. Okay, so if you take this from your Fibonacci from this high to this low, you can clearly see that this is the 38.2, guys, and we broke the 38.2, came close to the 50 level, and then from there we push down. If you measure from this low point to this high, you can clearly see that we broke the 38.2 and we are still above the 88.6, which means the C point is valid, the A point is valid, the B point is valid, the C point is valid, and we want to wait for the D point, right? So let me just remove this. Now for the D point, I'm gonna take my Fibonacci extension from this low, then I'm gonna bring it to the 50 level. I used to use this turning points, but I've decided that I want to stick with the actual Fibonacci levels, because you get the best possible turnaround in the market with this Fibonacci extensions. Okay, so I'm gonna use this right now, and then I'm gonna change it as well. Try to do this as well here. So this is our Fibonacci extension. So what we need here is for it to move from the 1618 to the 886 around here. All right, so I'm going to change the color, and then this, guys, will be a zone of completion that price has already touched, indicating to us that what the market can potentially push down. Okay, So let me remove this for now because we don't need that. I'm indicating to us that the market can potentially pull down, so I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna remove this as well because they've served their purpose. Now I'm gonna show you guys my plotting here. I'll use the triangle tool from the high to the low point. You can just do something like this. So this is indicating to us that the market will be looking to go down. So we have multiple confluences. You have the trend line, you have the resistance level, you have price pushing up as a retracement, you have this as a golden rule. So there are many indications that are indicating to us that the market will be pushing to the downside, and the least level that you should be looking for price to come to will be here before any potential buys. And yeah guys, I think that's it from me on Audusd. Audusd will continue pushing to the downside. Unfortunately, I was not able to post this earlier, but I still think we still have a chance, especially if price can come back to push up to retest a certain level on the intraday market before pushing down. So what you should look for is for price to kind of like create an intraday move that can allow us to actually participate in the market and go down like this. Then from there you can start looking for buying opportunities or a breakdown for more selling opportunities. It's really all up to you guys. So that's it from me on Audusd. With that said, thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next video.